Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin with essentials: the module, power, and a cable to your amp or headphones. Plug the 12V DC adapter into the module, then into the wall. Make sure the outlet is live. Once the LEDs light, release the power button and wait for the boot screen. You do this because the module loads sound engines and sensors at startup. Skipping stable power risks corrupted settings. Next, attach a stereo 1/4 cable to monitor out or plug in headphones so you can hear immediately. You now focus on sensors and calibration. First, fit mesh heads and tune lugs evenly for consistent rebound. You want uniform tension so triggers respond predictably. Next, connect each trigger cable to its labeled input: kick to kick, toms to tom 1/2, snare to snare, so the module maps correctly. Then enter the trigger setup menu and adjust threshold and crosstalk. Make small changes and test by striking pads. Once done, save the kit. This ensures dynamics match your playing style and reduces false triggers. You finish by picking sounds and confirming performance settings. Choose a kit or individual voice, then play to set master, pad, and headset levels so nothing clips. Use the gain meters for visual confirmation. If you're using a DAW or external module, set MIDI channel and enable click or MIDI clock to sync tempo. Finally, test every pad across dynamics. If mistriggers happen, recheck cable seating, rerun trigger calibration, and slightly raise threshold. That single troubleshooting step fixes most errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.